Hello everyone, this is Nutritionist Shivangi Garg. Today I'll be sharing 2 detox water recipes with you which are really healthy, soothing and refreshing for summers. So the first detox water that I'm going to make is for weight loss and it has very simple ingredients that are easily available in our homes. The first thing I'm going to take is water in a jar, and it is advised not to use any metal or a plastic bottle and use a glass jar or a glass bottle, because metal can interfere with the ingredients we have used and can lead to spoilage of water. I have taken one orange here and have cut into slices. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C and helps remove toxins from the body. I have taken ginger because it calms the belly and helps in burning fat. I will use 10 to 12 mint leaves because it gives a really nice and refreshing flavor to the water and also soothes the belly. Now I have taken one lemon here which I have already cut into slices. I will use lemon because it helps with a better digestion and relieves bloating. I'll be using cucumbers because they contain a lot of vitamin A, B and C, also flush out toxins from the body and reduces water retention. Now combine all the ingredients together. Rest it for 4 to 5 hours before you enjoy the drink. So this is a very healthy and a perfect drink for weight loss. So the next drink I am going to make is to boost your immunity, which is very necessary in these lockdown days. I will add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. They are a great source of antioxidant and also helps in boosting immunity. When you add to the water, make sure they do not create lumps and mix well. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. I'll be adding turmeric to the detox water because it helps fight infections and bacteria. I will take 1.5 teaspoon flax seeds because it is a great source of iron and iron transports oxygen to the body. I have taken 1 lemon here which I have already cut into slices. I will use lemon because it is a great source of vitamin C and has antibacterial properties. I have taken about 1.5 to 2 inches grated ginger. I will use ginger because it has many antibacterial properties and also helps in a better digestion. Now I will add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a great source of antioxidant. They remove free radicals from the body. Rest it for 4 to 5 hours before you enjoy the drink. There are many health benefits of detox water. First, it helps in weight loss. Second, it helps in removal of toxins. Third, it improves mood. Fourth, it helps in increasing energy levels. Fifth, it gives a better digestive system. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and also you can connect with my Instagram.